Anathema, something or someone strongly disliked. Example, dishonesty was anathema to her. Allay, to reduce fear or worry. Example, his calm words allayed her anxiety. Atrophy, to weaken or waste away. Example, muscles atrophy without exercise. Catharsis, emotional release or cleansing. Example, writing poetry was a catharsis for him. Bucolic, related to the countryside. Example, they dreamed of a quiet, bucolic life. Beguile, to charm or deceive. Example, she beguiled the audience with her voice. Penurious, extremely poor, stingy. Example, the penurious man refused to spend money. Ennoble, to elevate or dignify. Example, her kindness ennobled her character. Caustic, sarcastic in a biting way. Example, her caustic remarks shocked the guests. Antediluvian, extremely old-fashioned. Example, his beliefs about women were antediluvian. Arbiter, one who settles disputes. Example, the judge acted as the final arbiter. Aphorism, a short, wise saying. Example, time heals all wounds is a common aphorism. Animosity, strong hostility. Example, years of animosity separated the two families. Accretion, slow growth through gradual addition. Example, the island formed by the accretion of sand. Perspicaciousness, the quality of having sharp insight and deep understanding. Example, her perspicaciousness allowed her to notice patterns others completely missed. Grandiloquence, a style of speaking that is overly fancy, exaggerated, or pompous. Example, his speech was full of grandiloquence but lacked real substance. Disambiguation, the process of removing confusion by making something clearer. Example, the teacher provided disambiguation for the difficult grammar rule. Supererogatory, beyond what is required or expected, extra effort. Example, helping strangers daily is a supererogatory act of kindness. Anthropomorphism, giving human qualities to animals or objects. Example, children's stories often use anthropomorphism to make animals relatable. Intransigence, an unwillingness to compromise or change one's views. Example, the deal failed because of the team's intransigence. Perspicaciousness, the quality of having sharp insight and deep understanding. Example, her perspicaciousness allowed her to notice patterns others completely missed.